I don't think people realize how much a bad monitor mix can mess up worship. It's one of those behind-the-scenes elements that can either make or break the entire experience. When musicians can't hear themselves properly, it throws everything off. It's not just volume, it's clarity, confidence, and connection. A well-crafted monitor mix allows musicians to hear the nuances of their performance, fostering confidence and enabling them to connect more deeply with the music and the congregation. Stage monitors are what musicians use to hear themselves. They are the crucial link between the sound on stage and the performance delivered. Without them, musicians are essentially playing in the dark, guessing at what they sound like. Not the main speakers, which are projecting sound to the audience, but wedges. These angled speakers sit on the stage, directing sound specifically towards the performers, or in-ear monitors, IMs. These are like personal headphones for the stage, providing a customized and isolated listening experience. Wedges are classic, a tried-and-true method, but can be loud, contributing to stage volume and clutter up the stage, taking up valuable real estate. IMs keep things clean, both visually and sonically, and cut feedback, a common enemy of live sound, but cost more, requiring an investment in both the units themselves and the necessary wireless infrastructure. Here's the real trick. Use your aux sends to build custom mixes for each player. Aux sends are dedicated outputs on your mixing console that allow you to create separate mixes tailored to the specific needs of each musician. Label everything. It keeps you sane. Trust me, in the heat of a live performance, clear labeling can be a lifesaver, preventing accidental adjustments and ensuring a smooth sound experience. Pre-fader aux sends mean you can tweak the main mix without wrecking the monitors. This ensures that any changes you make to the front-of-house sound won't inadvertently affect what the musicians are hearing on stage. Got feedback? That piercing squeal is the bane of every sound engineer's existence. Aim mics away from wedges, positioning them so that they reject the sound coming from the monitors, reducing the likelihood of feedback loops. Use EQ to cut harsh mids, which are often the culprit in feedback situations. Add clarity, bringing out the essential frequencies of each instrument and vocal. And always use high-pass filters. These filters remove unnecessary low frequencies that can muddy the mix and contribute to feedback, especially on vocals and instruments that don't require deep bass. Don't just crank the volume, fix the mix. Instead of simply turning things up louder, take the time to carefully sculpt the sound, addressing any issues with EQ, dynamics, and overall balance. And when you sound check, ask musicians, what can't you hear? This simple question is the key to unlocking a great monitor mix. Start with vocals, ensuring that the singers can clearly hear themselves and each other as they are the primary communicators of the message. Then rhythm, building a solid foundation for the music by making sure the drums and bass are locked in and clearly audible. Then layer the rest. Gradually add in the other instruments, carefully balancing them within the mix to create a cohesive and supportive soundscape. Get the monitors right, and the whole church feels the difference. A comfortable and confident worship team translates directly into a more engaging and meaningful experience for the entire congregation. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your questions.